Evening, Daniel. Just to show you where I managed to get this so you can see your lines going across and you can kind of work out roughly what levels they are on here. If you go um, into the packed tool and go to judgments, so you're just starting a judgment, make sure you go into maths and just start it for one of the students. So just change up on here, so view the mode, just change to the side, so you can just do it for a student. If you just click on any of the levels, just so you can get that graph, and then confirm your judgment. I'll bring you to that map, and then you can kind of have a look at that little bit more and just kind of maybe print it out and run your lines across to see which ones fall into what area, and then go from there. And that gives you a good idea, because then you can change it and show, even though one student's down here, they're still at 11.2 overall, even though there's certain elements here. You can see those two are probably above into a level 3, but it's that overall judgment, which is of course the most important thing. Just let me know if you need any more help on that. Cheers, Ian. Bye.